Pani puri. How to cook pani puri at home. So this is the pani puri round ball made of wheat, and these are the flattened wheat that we would fry, and we'll get this pani puri. And this we have prepared from this is for home. This is from Jalani Pani Puri Magic, and they have 3 water flavors. So now how to cook. So first like we've taken these small pieces, right? This was like already here, and in this packet these were around 50. So these are 24, and 24 I've already made, right? So we're just going to so this is the mustard oil, and so it's hot now because it was on flame, and so I'm just putting it in the hot sarson, the mustard oil. Okay, so now we would have to just take it out after frying it. So it already gets a round shape. Color depends on you. You want darker, you can just let it in the mustard oil for some while. Otherwise you can just take it out. Once they are fried, you can just take it out and they'll take this round shape. So the color depends on you, and here is it. Okay, so now how to make it, as in like this. So this was like this round ball after frying, and you put and you make a hole easily, just with your thumb here. Push it inside with your thumb, and the hole is made. Very easy to make. It's the round ball that you fried, and now you just push it with your thumb and the hole is made. Again, once more I'll show you how to make these balls, the pani puri balls. So this is, like I showed you, this is the mustard oil. I'm going to put the the flame is very low because the mustard oil is already very hot, right? So now this is the color that I want. So these are 4. Okay, so you have to put it in the mustard oil in a vessel which is round and can have a lot of mustard oil in it. So here is it. Another 3 made. 1 is left. I'm taking it out. Here. So thank you so much. And there is water also. Like there is this imli water that you can just put it in the cold water and stir it. Okay. And so you have to taste it once you've don't put too much of water, right? And so in 2 glasses of water, 2 to 3 glasses of water you can put it, right? Yeah, not more than 4 glasses of water, big glasses. A glass which is of size this size. Okay, put 2-3 glasses of. Now this is approximately 250 liters milliliters 250 milliliters. And then you can just put the water in the hole here in the ball, and you can just enjoy the pani puri. Thank you.